we have the Sikh-dominated areas. Let's look at that. 9 versus 2, Swati.
Right. Earlier I was highlighting how the Punjabi Khatri constituency seems to have voted for the BJP as per the numbers that we're getting. Another cluster where the BJP seems to have gained is the Sikh-dominant cluster. Look at the difference between the BJP and the AAP numbers. This is how the BJP has made inroads in the Sikh-dominant clusters, with 9 where the BJP maintains its lead and 2 for the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, Pratyush Kant, let me ask you this question. We're talking about Delhi elections, but there is going to be some impact that will be felt in Punjab as well. The fact that the BJP is leading in the Sikh cluster, in the Punjabi Khatri cluster, does that give you a hope of political developments in Punjab?
Absolutely, ma'am, but let me first tell you, all these scams which we have managed to expose Kejriwal, could be excise scam, tanker scam, school classroom making scams, all these scams are going to stick to Aam Aadmi Party, especially Kejriwal. Punjab, the story is no different. They are out in the open as to be a very corrupt political party. Only Bharatiya Janata Party and the disciplined workers of Bharatiya Janata Party could have had this kind of patience to go to every household and explain to people how corrupt this man has been. It has been a long journey for us, because a guy who can lie with such impunity every day, with such baby face, it was very difficult to handle this guy. And somehow he also had the media, social media, a lot of people supporting him. This time, in 70 constituencies of Delhi, I saw that people said, change, throw this man away, enough is enough, because their very life was being killed by this man on a day-to-day basis by this bad hawa, bad roads, bad flyovers, every which way. This is going to travel to Punjab also. The battle is half won there. And look at Rahul Gandhi also. Why didn't Rahul Gandhi, Ajay Makan and Sandeep Dixit together went ahead and said, no, we're not going to support this man? Because they knew that if BJP can outsmart with a huge majority, win the election in Delhi, then they have a chance in Punjab for them. Because
well, important point, but let me go across to our reporters who are at the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, to the AAP headquarters. First, Tejashree, what's happening? Subdued sense, or is there sense of anticipation of a reversal still in the Aam Aadmi Party camp?
Well, Aam Aadmi Party is still hopeful, but what we are noticing as of now is that the leaders and the spokesperson who are right now outside the Aam Aadmi Party office have all gone inside. Just the Karyakartas are present over here. We could speak to them also, but yes, you can see over here that now the screens are all filled up with the exit, with the actual numbers, with the trends that are coming in. But in fact, the supporters, they have started gathering over here. क्या बताया गया है आपको इस वक्त? क्या लग रहा है कि कितनी जीतेंगे? फिलहाल नतीजे जो है वो बीजेपी के फेवर में आ रहे हैं. जल्दी से
थोड़ा आधा घंटा रुक जाइए. जैसे जैसे सूरज ऊपर आएगा वैसे वैसे आम आदमी
पार्टी भी उम्मीद है, आपको भी उम्मीद है कि आम आदमी पार्टी जीत रही है?
बिल्कुल निश्चित तौर पर आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बन गई है. अरविंद केजरीवाल,
लेकिन नंबर से तो फिलहाल ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है.
अभी नहीं लग रहा. अभी 2.5 दिन की खुशी बीजेपी के कार्यकर्ताओं को.
लेकिन हमेशा यहाँ पर गाने बजने शुरू हो जाते हैं. रंग दे बसंती चोला गाना बजता है, फिलहाल बजाया लेकिन बंद कर दिया गया.
देखिए, आप जो भी अभी देख रही हैं, हमें बस थोड़ा सा
Hope still exists, but you see the big spokespersons have abandoned the area where the media is. All of them have gone inside in a huddle, probably deciding their next strategy. And that's the first sign that things are not going their way. Shekhar Iyer?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think they would very soon come with EVM. Of course, election commission is already there. Voter list was there. Now they will have to get ready.
अब वो पोचिंग का क्या होगा?
नहीं, पोचिंग तो जीतने से ही तो पोचिंग होगा ना.
तो ये कल जो था 15 करोड़ कहाँ मिल रहे थे?
वो तो एक प्रीएम्प्टिव स्ट्राइक था, कहीं ये ना शुरू हो जाए.
मैंने उनको कहा 1.5 लाख रुपए का टोकन ले लो. 1.5 लाख रुपए